हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं आज के स्टार्टर्स 213 के सेकंड प्रॉब्लम के बारे में। सो लेट्स सी। वी आर गिवन एन array A of length n as well as an integer x. X is said to be separated if there exists at least one index I such that ai is less than x and ai plus 1 is greater than x, or ai is greater than x and ai plus 1 is less than x. It means that if left element is greater than x, then right element should be less than x, and if right element is greater than x, then left element should be less than x. That is, x is said to be separated. If A contains a pair of adjacent elements with one of them being strictly less than x and other being strictly larger than x, you can freely rearrange the element of A however you like. If it is possible to make x Is it possible to make x non-separated? So let's see how we will do this problem. In this question, we have to avoid the following case. If a is greater than x and a plus 1 is less than x, and second one. Let's say for x equals to 10. If our array is like 17 and 6, then 10 can easily come between these two numbers and it will satisfy first condition. And if we have an array like this 9 and 15, then also 10 can come between these two number and it will satisfy second case. So as a result, so this case will always arise when the numbers greater than x and the number less than x meets, because 10 can always come in between. So the only way to avoid this is if our array already contains x. Let's say if we see this example, 17, 10, and 6, then 10 can't come either in between and 10 can't come either in between. That is, we can't form either of the following two cases. So as a result, if our array already contains x, then we can arrange in the following way. All the elements greater than x, all the elements equals to x, and all the elements less than x. As a result of which, neither of the following cases will happen. Or there is another way to arrange this. Like if all the elements greater than x, then all the elements equals to x and all the element greater than x. Again, either of two cases will not happen. And if we don't have x in the given array, then we can't avoid this case. Then there will always be a case when a number less than x or number greater than x will meet. So let's see how we will solve this problem. So we will first count the number of elements which are, let's say, less than x, greater than x, and equal to x. We denotes them by less, greater, and equal. If the count of equal is greater than 0, then our answer will always be yes, because we can easily avoid following these cases as we have seen in the above. And there is another way to avoid this case if either count of less or count of greater becomes 0. If this happens, then there is no way that an element less than x and greater than x will meet, because count of one of them is already 0. In these two cases, we will print yes, else we will print no. Thank you.